In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge databases in Notion. Notion doesn't have a one-click merge button, so when people talk about merging, they usually mean one of two things, either combining items, so they live in a single database, or connecting separate databases so they reference each other. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on bringing items together in one place so you can manage them side by side. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. Click Login, then head into your workspace. From here, navigate to the page that contains your first database. Remember, in Notion, each row in a database is actually its own page, which makes moving items between locations straightforward once you know where to look. Inside your first database, decide which items you want to merge into the other database. You can select a single item or choose several at once if you're consolidating a lot of data. Right-click the item or items you want to merge to bring up the context menu. Choose Move To. This option lets you relocate the selected pages out of this database and into another location in your workspace. When the Move To menu appears, click the page where your second database is located. If you have a large workspace, it can help to use the search bar in that menu to find the destination quickly. After you confirm, Notion will move the selected items to that page. This effectively gathers your data in the same place as the second database, making it easier to standardize properties, compare information, and keep everything organized from one hub. A few tips as you do this. First, give yourself a moment to review the properties in both databases before moving a lot of items. Consistent property names and types will make management simpler once everything is together. Second, if you're working with a big set of entries, consider moving in smaller batches so you can double-check results and avoid confusion. Third, make sure you have the right permissions in both locations to move and edit items. If you prefer to keep databases separate but connected, you can also think of merging in terms of linkage, using relations and other references to tie databases together, though that's a different approach than physically moving items. Once your items are moved and you're satisfied with how they're organized, you've completed the merge for this workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.